अखिल गोंय पावण्यार बास्केटबॉल सर्तीचें आयोजन केलां। ही सर्त अंत्रुज आर्ट एंड स्पोर्ट्स अकादमी आनी स्पोर्ट्स अधिकरणा मार्फत सर्गेस्त राजेश पांडुरंग कुंकळकार हांच्या यादीन दवरल्या। 25 आनी 26 तारखेर महालक्ष्मी हायस्कूल तळावले ग्राउंडार ही सर्त जातली। आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
A very sad and a specific occasion. Our very old friend, almost 30 years association with us, Mr. Rajesh Kukalkar, suddenly passed away. So, as a part of the academy, we decided to have a basketball tournament or certain activity in his memory. Hence, we decided to finalize basketball tournament on 25th and 26th November.
Rajesh Kukalkar was our secretary, and before his departure we had a meeting, and in that meeting in fact decided to have a tournament on 25th and 26th of November. So on 25th and 26th of November 2000 we are having the All Goa Invitational Basketball Tournament. It is organized by Ankush Art and Sports Academy in collaboration with the Sports Authority of Goa. We had altogether 12 teams participating, but we always restricted to 8, so we selected the top 8 teams for this tournament. The fixtures have already been out and the teams have been informed. Top Goan players played with the Musiphonia International Games plus National Games. They are coming here to participate. To organize the tournament, we met all the friends who are associated with Rajesh, and all those friends contributed. They said that I will memorize myself by giving trophies, some will memorize by giving the cash prizes, and some will memorize to give gifts.